Good day, my viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed sounds, that is the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. I said that we have 44 sounds in English language, 20 are vowel sounds, and 24 are consonant sounds. And we are taking the vowel sounds one after the other. We have 12 pure vowel sounds out of the 20, and the remaining 8 is diphthong. So the 12 vowel sounds are referred to as monophthong. They are referred to as monophthong. 5 is long and 7 is short. I want to give you more examples today. One for E, long sound E. You have keep, beat, meal, legal, police, margarine, secret, routine, feed, fetus. Fetus, F-O-E-T-U-S. Let me repeat it. Keep, beat, meal, legal, police, margarine, secret, routine, feed, and fetus. For short E sound, we have tip, beat, 6, favorite, busy, bid, employ, emerge, simple, village. Tip, beat, 6, favorite, busy, build, employ, emerge, simple, village. In the next one, we'll take 2 more vowel sounds, then I'll give you more examples. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Olalubi Folake, then 7171. Thanks.